Have you guys ever heard of those jellyfish that are basically immortal? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a dropshipping product that's pretty similar to that. It just will not die. The product that I'm talking about is this protein shake bottle. Now, I vividly remember trying to sell this product way back in 2018, and somehow it's making a comeback in a major way. So to be honest, there's really no secret why it's making a comeback, and I'll explain that in this video real quick. It's because of some genius marketing, and this is actually such a perfect example here of what I've been talking about a lot recently, which is that even though dropshipping and e-commerce is getting more and more popular, there's also more opportunity than ever before. And this is a great example. So the store is called Gainshake. So shout out to you guys at Gainshake. If you're watching this video, you guys are killing it right now. I'm really excited for you guys. And as you can see, what they've done is just some really good viral marketing. So for example, this is kind of the video. I gotta mute it because I'm not trying to get a copyright claim here, but they do a lot of cool stuff with this product. So let me show you, for example, here. They try to get, they try to just do like really funny things and, you know, get a perfect scoop into the bottle. So there's actually a better video here that I saw. So this is actually the video I came across when I first saw this brand, and this is what made me want to show you. So this has 11 million views right here organically. This is it, bro. We finally reached the perfect scoop. So then they get the bottle ready, they measure, and then they drop. So this is great editing, by the way, also. Like, this is such a good video. Oh my God, that was so cool. So yeah, you see why they're doing so well, right? This viral marketing is genius. I absolutely love it. People love it as well. Look at best form of advertising. Like, people actually really vibe with this brand because of this. So I want to show you one more genius thing that this brand is doing that I think is super cool. And it's the fact that they actually have supplements here that they include from Amazon now. Now this could be a double-edged sword right here because these are probably affiliate links. So they're probably making money off of these links. However, you're also driving people to Amazon, which then people could try to find your product on there. Still, I think it's a really cool feature, and it's kind of a cool way to make additional revenue for your brand, something I've never thought about, which is literally just doing affiliate deals through your store. So such an original brand. I would love to meet the people behind this. Now, I do want to say too, if you haven't started your store yet, you know, you haven't even tried to create an e-commerce business yet, and you're interested in doing so, then make sure you take advantage of the Shopify deal that they have going on. You can start a Shopify store for free with the link in the description. And I'm telling you, the best way to learn is to obviously put my channel on repeat on the side while you're working on your Shopify store, you're vibing, building your brand. And I promise you, the more you do it, the more time that you put into it, the more progress you're gonna make. And eventually you're gonna be able to actually make an income from your brand, which is the goal for a lot of you guys. So just try to focus on making that first sale, building that store, getting that first customer, and then improving from there. But with that said, I hope this served as a good example of what you can do nowadays. And that's all I got. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.